Today's topic is phrases. What is phrase? A phrase is a group of words that does not make a complete sense and does not contain a finite verb, expressed or understood, but is used as a single part of speech. যে শব্দ সমষ্টির নিজের কোনো ফাইনাইট ভার্ব নেই এবং যারা পূর্ণ অর্থ প্রকাশ করে না, শুধু একটা সিঙ্গেল পার্ট অফ স্পিচের মতো ব্যবহৃত হয়, তাকে ফ্রেজ বলে। কয়েকটা উদাহরণ দিলে তোমরা ভালো করে বুঝতে পারবে। He came to see me. This is a chain of gold. Put it on the table. In the first sentence, the words to see me act as adverb to came. In the second sentence, the words of gold qualify the noun chain and thus act as an adjective. In the third sentence, the words on the table are adverb qualifying put. These group of words are called phrases. Phrases are of 6 kinds: noun phrase, adjective phrase, adverbial phrase, prepositional phrase, conjunctional phrase. Noun phrase. It does the work of a noun. He does the work of a noun. He likes to play. To work is a good exercise. In the first sentence, the phrase to play is the object of the verb likes. In the second sentence, the phrase to work is the subject of the verb is. The group of words here thus do the work of a noun and hence they are noun phrase. Number 2, adjective phrase. It does the work of an adjective. It does the work of an adjective. Hiren is a man of wealth. The boys in the class stood up. The book on the table is mine. The phrase of wealth tells us what sort of man Hiren is. It qualifies the noun man, just as an adjective does. It therefore does the work of an adjective. Similarly, the phrases in the class, on the table are adjectives of boys and book respectively. Number 3, adverbial phrase. It does the work of an adverb. He came to see me. He worked with care. He fell from the tree. To see me tells us why he came. তার আসার উদ্দেশ্যটা কি? Tells us why he came. It therefore does the work of an adverb and is an adverbial phrase. Similarly, with care, from the tree are adverbs qualifying worked and fell respectively. Prepositional phrase. It does the work of a preposition. He stood in front of me. He could not come on account of illness. The phrases are prepositions for the objective cases, me and illness. Conjunctional phrase. It does the work of a conjunction. Come as soon as you can. We went there in order that we might see him. The phrases as soon as joins the two clauses come and you can. The phrase in order that joins the two clauses we went there and we might see him. They are all conjunctional phrases. Interjectional phrases does the work of an interjection. What a pity! By God, he is ruined. Phrases are of 6 kinds. The same phrase may be noun or adjectival according to use. Thus, walking by the river side is noun. In he enjoys walking by the riverside. But adjectival in the boy walking by the riverside is my brother. Next, the same phrase may be adjectival or adverbial according to use. Thus, in he is in the room, the phrase is adverbial. But in the man in the room rushed out, it is adjectival. আজ এই পর্যন্ত। নেক্সট ডে আবার অন্য টপিক ডিসকাস করব।